Hello everyone, so I'm back with another update. So I'm gonna log in. Well, I'm gonna register a user. I added a name category because I realized that Firebase has a built-in function called display name, where you can basically give a user a username. You can use it in your project. So I'm just gonna create a user named Jane Doe, email janedoe@email.com, and then hit register. And you see, it takes a name here. I still haven't built like the rest of the app out. I just worry about Firebase authentication. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention, I added Firebase authentication. So that's what this is showing. I should have said that first. And I added like a conditional. So if the user's logged in and I save it in the state, then you can see all the extra functionality in the header. But if they're not logged in, if you can remember, if you when you first could see the login form, you could only see just this link right here. So yeah, like I said, once they log in, then all these buttons appear and they have access to the site. Now I still need to learn about protective routes in Next.js, so that's next on my list, because there's nothing stopping anyone from just typing clients or add if they're not logged in, and it'll still go to that page. I don't want them to be able to go to that page at all. Now, as far as the user, I added the context API just because I need the status of the user in a bunch of different places. So I just made an auth context, and inside the use effect, there's a Firebase function called onAuthStateChange. So basically, it's kind of like a listener. So anytime the user logs in, logs out, what have you, that's constantly updating. And I have a set state call. Well, I change the state to update the status of the user. So if they log out, then that changes the status all over my whole app. So you see, like if I hit refresh, see, it goes back and they're automatically logged in. And then I added the logout button functionality. So once you log out, you're automatically sent back to the homepage, the login page. But just because I showed you I haven't added the protected root yet, I'm just type in client so that you can see that you're actually logged out. And it says, please sign in. Excuse me, I have a conditional. So either or header shows. If you're logged in, it says welcome and then your username. If you're not logged in, it just says please sign in, which of course I'm not going to keep this, but just for the sake of the video, I wanted you to see. Oh, another thing I did, I remembered at the end of the last video, when I clicked on my name, it didn't open a new tab. So now my portfolio opens in a new tab. So I fixed that. But yeah, thanks for watching.